Hi everyone, this is Pooja Agrawal. Today we are going to understand how our ready-made Dunzo similar application Runzo works and how a customer can book taxi, car, different services and how he can order food, products and lot of other things by using Runzo application. As you know, Runzo is a multi-service plus multi-order booking application. That means by using Runzo, customer can book taxi, car, truck, send parcels, and they can also order food, shopping, grocery from these nearby stores and nearby delivery men. So in this video we are going to understand how Runzo app works. So if you are interested in this application, you will get Runzo customer app, Runzo store app and Runzo delivery man. Along with this you will get a PHP admin. For more, kindly contact your consultant or drop a comment below so our team can help you. And yeah, let's get started. So as you can see on the screen, this is the Runzo customer app. Right now it's having Runzo branding. When it will be your app, it will be having your app branding. And now let's log in the Runzo application. You can also create a new account, but now we are going to log in the current application. Now choose your country, just enter your country name, choose your country code and enter the number and the password. And you will receive a OTP on your registered number like this. App will automatically read the OTP or you can also enter the OTP. And yeah, that's how you log in Runzo application. This is the home page of customer app. You can see different services available here. You can click on view all and you can see different services like book a taxi, book a ride, send a parcel, order food, grocery, medicine and a lot of options are available in the Runzo application. Customer can click on any of this to book a service or to order food and products. After this you can see the reviews. You can also see latest offers going on and you can also see nearby sellers. We are going to understand all of this in detail in the video. Now let's understand how a customer can book a taxi by using Runzo application. So now click on taxi and choose your pickup location. Right now I am choosing my pickup location as my current location. So just click on the location and now choose your destination. Enter your destination. You can choose any nearby destination available at your city. Right now we are choosing destination available in our city. And yeah, that's how you choose that destination. And now click here. Now it is showing you approx kilometers from your location and it is showing you the average charges. So the charges is how calculated. It is multiplied by the kilometer into the charges per kilometer the delivery man charges. So that is how the total is coming. The charges per kilometer the driver can charge, they can control by their admin panel. Now the customer can book the taxi by using online payment method or they can choose cash on delivery. To choose online payment method, click here and top up your wallet. You can recharge your wallet by available payment methods, Stripe, PayUmoney, PayPal and more. You can also choose from this available numbers to recharge your wallet, and once your wallet is recharged you can use that money to pay on the application. You can also go for cash on delivery like this and now click on order. Now this ride request will go to the nearby delivery man available online like this. As you can see, delivery man will have limited time to accept the booking. He is having 15 seconds to accept the booking. If he doesn't accept the booking between these 15 seconds, the ride will go to the another delivery man. And now let's accept the booking. And that's how a driver accept a taxi booking in the Runzo application. Now the driver start moving from his location to pick up the customer from his location so he can start his ride. In the meanwhile, the customer can live track the driver. He can also see the car icon moving as the driver is moving from his location. The customer can also call the driver or he can also have a chat with the driver like this. The driver can also receive push notification of every message, and he can also reply the customer for the same. The driver can also send messages, images and more by using the chat option in the Renzo. Now let's assume the driver has reached the customer place. The driver will click on start. So the riding will be started. Now let's assume the driver has reached the destination. Now he click on complete. Now he click on this button, and yeah, the riding has been completed. So that's how a taxi booking is completed in Renzo application. Now the customer can give 5-star rating and his review to the driver like this, and that's how a customer book a taxi, a driver accept it and complete the riding. So now let's understand how a customer can order products by using the Renzo application. Now click on shop. So there is one store available in this category. You can see different categories available here. Now click on this shop. By using this map button, the customer can see the shop location in the map, and now he can add to cart products by clicking on this plus button, and now click on cart. The customer can also enter notes like this if he want any specification in his orders. If the customer have any promo code, he can add the promo code here. For the payment, the customer can choose online payment system, or he can also pay by cash on delivery. In the online payment system, the customer can use the wallet. He can top up his wallet by these available payment methods, and he can pay, or either he can choose pay on cash. Now right now we are choosing pay on cash and click on order. Now the order will go to the nearby delivery man. He will accept the order. Order will also go to the store. So when the delivery man has accepted the order will go to the store. And now store can see the delivery man has accepted a new order. So the delivery man will start going to the store to pick up the order, so he can deliver the order to the customer. In the meanwhile, the customer can live track the location of the delivery man like this. He can check the bike of the delivery man, and he can live track the movement of the delivery man in his application. He can also send a message or call the delivery man directly. Now to pick up the order, to start the order, the delivery man will need to enter the 4-digit PIN available in the store app. So now let's assume the delivery man has reached the store location. He pick up the products from store and he enter the OTP sent by the store. And now he starts moving from the store location to the customer place. In the meanwhile, the customer can always live track the delivery man by this bike icon that you see. And now let's assume the delivery man has reached the customer place. The delivery man can click on this button to complete the order. And yeah, that's how you complete an order in Renzo application. Customer can give the review to the delivery man, 5-star rating and his review. And that's how a customer orders, store see the order, and delivery man accept the order and complete the order by using Renzo application. If you are looking for Renzo application, then you get Renzo customer app, Renzo store app, Renzo delivery man app, Android native apps. Along with this, you get a PHP admin, complete full source code and 1 year free technical support. For more, kindly contact your consultant or drop a comment below so our team can help you. For more, kindly watch all the videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.